I'm going to be showing you how to create a medic plugin. Hello everyone, Zarkon here and welcome back to another video where today I am going to be teaching you how to make a medic plugin in Bukkit. So hopefully you know how to get to Eclipse. After last episode we set it all up and we created a test plugin. So we're just going to carry on from that and we're going to make a medic plugin. So if we just create a new Java project called medic, because why the hell not, because that is basically what we're doing. We're going to be learning how to heal and feed. Don't forget to add your spigot jar or whatever you're using. Hopefully you're using spigot. We're going to click on source, right click, package, obviously do your package thing, so zarkon.medic. Going to create a new class called medic, and we're going to make sure this is just a quick way to do it. You can just search Java plugin, there we go, and finish. In case you haven't noticed, I have got a new microphone, so it should be better quality, hopefully. So let's just get straight into it here. So basically all we're going to be doing is we're just going to be healing and feeding the player who runs /heal or /feed. So it's only going to, I think I'm going to make it like that, so you have to specify a player. Or actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for a later episode to do arguments. So it's just going to be /heal at the moment, so you can't heal other players. If you know how to do arguments, fine, but I will be doing another episode on arguments later. So yeah. Okay, so my phone's just gone off. Let's turn that on mute. So we're just going to start off like the code what we did last time. Medic plugin enabled. Boom. That's basically all we're doing. We don't need, well, we might as well do a disable, to be honest. I think that's correct. Yeah, okay. Get logger.info medic plugin disabled. Done. Okay, so that's all we need to do for this one. So if we just go public boolean on command sender command cmd string label string array args boom ba doom, import all that, boom boom boom. Right, and of course it's gonna error, because why the hell wouldn't it error? There we go. So oh my god. So right, okay. So we're gonna check if the cmd or the command is equal to heal. And if it is, I was about to do permissions for that later episode. If it is heal, then check. No. Oh yeah, check if the send. Actually, we can do that up here. I will be like going over like properly how to do like specific things can only run the command. It's like if you only want a command block to do it, I'm gonna go through that in another episode. But this just so that we don't get an error. So we can just do this quickly here. Color.red plus you do not, oh no, sorry. Only in-game players can use / plus label plus dun dun dun. Now return false. There we go. Now if we do player P equals player sender, we're just basically casting the sender to a variable. So that's just because no, we're casting sender to a player because sender is a command sender, but we need it to have the player functions. So we're just gonna check well, we don't have to check anything really, because p dot set health double dot pass double. No, actually we don't need that. We just set it to 20 because it's basically every half is 1. Every half heart is 1, which that's the case for everything. I'll just quickly do feed and then we can add some meshes to them. So this should be pretty easy to understand dot set hunger something. No, set food level. There we go. Set that up to 20 as well. So go back up to hill, and then we're just gonna want to send a message saying chat color dot green plus you have been healed. If you want to do a fancy if you really want to do a fancy prefix and everything, then you can, but I'm not going to do that just for the sake of time. If I have enough time, which I probably will, I'm probably going to end up making it so that this also works with arguments, so you can heal other players. Oh, I was like, what? So we just need to create a plugin.yml, which is pretty darn easy. Don't know why I do it outside there. Gonna close down Notepad++, and open this up. Main me.zircon, zircon.medic.medic name, medic obviously, version 1.0, author zircon, description a medic plugin obviously, commands. Oh no, don't do that. Commands hill. Description heals you, feed description feeds you. Okay, so that is now done. We're gonna export it, and there we go. Yeah, no, not test.jar. We need it to go to medic.jar, because after all it is a medic. So there we go. Now I'm just going to head over to server file that we created last episode and hit start and wait for it to load. So this is the boring part of it, guys. Actually, I need to check the port. No, stop scrolling. It's 25565, that's good. Okie dokie, then we're going to do this, then this, and then... Okay, we need to change the port. That's just a quick way to do it. There we go, Minecraft server. There we go. And we are booting up here. There we go, so we're in the sky apparently. So, difficulty is 0, time set 0. Just so there's no animals. Actually, difficulty 1. And then game rule do mob spawning false. There we go. So now, let's just game mode 0. Hope I don't die. And heal. There we go, that's done. I need to run around, or I could just add a command to the plugin that literally sets me down to 1 hunger bar, so I'm practically done. Okay, we're gonna do it this way. Zircon, hunger, for 30 seconds too. Come on, we need to get this done. So, yeah. Hopefully this works, otherwise it's going to be a bit disappointed. I'm just going to wait for this hunger potion or effect to run it off. Got 15 seconds of it left, so just run it down as much as I can. So yeah, right, there we go. So I'm getting to the point where I can hardly run. Please run out, don't let me die. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so, oh no, yes. So it did work. There you go, guys. So that's how you create a heal and feed, and I'm only 8 minutes in, so I might as well set this up to allow arguments. So what we're going to do, if args.length equals 0, then we're going to do this. Else if args, oh no, it's not else if like that, it's else if args.length equals 1, then player target equals bucket dot get player args 0. Right, just the thing with arguments is that it's the first argument is the 0 argument, so it goes first argument is 0, second argument is 0, 1, third argument is 2, etc, etc. It's pretty obvious. And just to stop an error, we're going to check if the target is null or not, and if it is, we're just going to send the player a message saying, yo, that player can't be found. And then return false, so the code just stops. However, if that is not the case, then we're going to want to set their health to 20. which is pretty easy. P.send message chat color dot green plus you healed plus target dot get name. That's just so you know. Right, then target dot send message chat color dot green plus you were healed by target no sender dot get name. Boom. So it's basically the same aspect for the other one. Right, so we're just going to copy all of this because I'm just too lazy to do it myself. Set food level. There we go. You are fed. You are fed. So, you have been fed. Okay, that's it now. We don't need to add anything to the plugin.yml because we're only allowing ourselves to, oh brilliant, toggle downfall. So, as I showed earlier, right, so I'm a little low on health, I'm a little low on hunger as well. So, feed Zircon, there you go, heal Zircon, there you go. And then that's basically it, guys. So, if you guys enjoyed this episode, then hit that like button and subscribe to see more daily, well, not daily, but just subscribe to see more Bukkit coding videos. If you think I should carry on with this series, then leave a comment down below because you might learn something, because obviously this is also like this is basically how I made Zircon Essentials. So if you really want to find the basically the behind the scenes of Zircon Essentials, then go ahead and just keep watching this series because it'll definitely help you learn a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Bye!